Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to style a pompadour. So this is a classic hairstyle back from the 50s. Elvis had it, Johnny Cash had it, James Dean had this hairstyle, and they look badass. They look awesome. Cool looking guys, tough looking guys. So today I'm going to use Murray Superior Pomade. This is one of the classics here. You'll find this at Walmart or any of your local stores around you. So now I'm gonna damp my hair with some water. I find that when you use pomade, damp hair is the best. I try dry and wet, but damp is just perfect. So just comb your hair, slick it back. Now I'm gonna use about a finger spoon since I have built up from yesterday. So when you use the pomade, make sure you rub it in your hands really good so that you have a thin layer on your hands. So when you put in your hair, it'll be easier to spread. So now you want to put the pomade in your hair. Make sure you get the roots too. A lot of people that I've seen, they only put it on the top of the hair, which is not how you apply hair product. So make sure you get it all over your head. Now for this style, I'm gonna part it, and for the front you wanna comb it up just to form the pomp. Just comb it up with the upward motion, and use your other hands to push it forward. Comb the other side towards the pomp too, and just comb it up, and use the other hands just to pat it down. Make sure it's nice and neat. I'm doing the part again because I didn't like how the pomp looked, so I'm gonna redo it again. I remember when I first got into this hairstyle, it took me like an hour just doing my hair. I used to be in the mirror for like an hour, just trying to make it perfect, you know. But now I just take like 5 minutes when my hair is working with me. But at times my hair can be stubborn. Not only that, but I have thick and straight hair too, so it requires some more work. But this hairstyle, it goes well for long or short, depending on how you want it. Some people like shorter hair for a pomp or longer. It depends on you and how you like it and what you like. But for me personally, I prefer long hair just because it works better for my hair type. And I feel like long hair just suits me better than short hair. This is a great look for dates, work. It suits for almost every type of occasion. I had this hairstyle since I was like 20. It's been about 8 years now, and it just stuck with me ever since. It's just a great hairstyle to have, and you do a lot with it too. You play around with your hair. You do for a side part, pompadour. You can do other hairstyles too, depending on the length of your hair too, of course. Yeah, right now I'm kind of satisfied of how my pomp looks right now. It took me a couple of tries, but I like it. I'm content with this one. And yeah, I'm about done. If you like this video, like and subscribe to me. That'd be lovely. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment, message me, and have a good day. And you won't regret it. This style is great for anybody from all ages. Don't matter who you are. This is a cool ass hairstyle.